It's a super sidewinder.
I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna put this video on YouTube and they'll know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, this thing is good. I wanna get that start up. Y'all know what the sidewinder means. I don't know what that means. Ironhorse. I won't go around that way, so I'll leave the license plate out. See this thing pull off. It's my favorite, man. He's got another one too, but this one right here is my favorite. You got to take the bags off the other one, and then we'll see. We'll compare them then.
Yeah, it's got the SNS super sidewinder, and it's got the big cams.
But still, this bike is faster than the other one.
Oh yeah.